Tomorrow. So is there relief? Yes. Do we have to wait for it? Also, yes on that one. So we've got a couple of days here where things are going to be, well, very similar to what we have right now. Cloudy, cool, breezy. Well, and for some just downright windy. So we're taking a live look outside. This is from our camera atop the Empire State Building. Cloudy and cool, 52 degrees right now in Central Park. We continue to see these significant wind gusts in excess of 20 miles an hour. So temperatures are still pretty chilly. They're not much warmer than they were this morning. 48 degrees right now for Monticello, 50 for Edison and White Plains, 51 for Sparta, for Brick, for Poughkeepsie, and also for Greenwich. The Hamptons at 54 degrees is one of the warmest locations. We continue to watch the rain moving on shore. Now, a lot of the heaviest rain has really been focused on Ocean County. We've seen a lot of rain there, a lot of that heavier rain. So as we zoom in, you can see we do have some aerial flood advisory for Monmouth and Ocean counties until 3:15. We're looking at, again, some more of that heavy rain right now moving on shore in Toms River. So we've seen a lot of that today. They've kind of been the bullseye in terms of significant rain from this system. And here's the system. So we're looking at an area of low pressure that's developed just off the mid-Atlantic coast. Basically, it's really the circulation around it is just sort of spinning this moisture. So while we've seen some in New York City, we've also gotten a bit of a break. We're seeing a little bit more of that shower activity for Long Island, but by far, central and southern New Jersey have really taken the brunt of the rain. As you take a look at observed rainfall since midnight, it kind of tells the story. Nothing in Poughkeepsie, for Sussex, White Plains, Bridgeport, even Montauk so far hasn't really picked up anything significant. Barely a drop in the bucket for Central Park, but Trenton closing in on half an inch of rain. Belmar closing in on 3/4 of an inch of rain, and Toms River is already at 1 inch. And again, this system is going to be with us through the day tomorrow and into Wednesday. So we take a look at your future cast. We go through. We're getting still a significant break for a lot of the area. It is cloudy, it's damp, and you may see some drizzle. But as far as significant rain, it really is still centered south of New York City. That starts to change tonight. We watch this system push in. We'll start to see some of that heavy rain on Long Island, continuing to see it, unfortunately, at the Jersey Shore. But then it moves across more of the area tomorrow morning, which is why we have a yellow alert, because we do anticipate seeing some of this widespread heavy rain during the Tuesday morning commute. Still unsettled as we head into your Wednesday. So how much more rain could we see? The North American model, this is one of the lowest models. It's saying New York City will pick up a half an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch. Montauk could pick up 2 inches. Toms River could pick up an additional 1.5 inches. The European model, as you can see, says Belmar could pick up 2 more inches. Toms River 1.6, and that New York City could pick up 3.3 inches of rain from that system. So for that reason, tomorrow is a yellow alert, because we do expect more widespread heavy rain and during that morning commute. So just be mindful of that. But by Friday, sunny and 71 degrees.
Oh, that'll feel nice, especially after what's coming tomorrow. Elise, thanks so much.